Driving a boat can be a lot of fun in rough water or smooth water. And one of the things that I think a lot of people, whether it's anglers or just boaters, really kind of worry about is where to trim your engine. And Mercury has a great feature called Active Trim, actually. I have it installed on this boat here. And basically what it does is it pays attention to the RPMs that your motor's running and also GPS speed, and will automatically trim your boat and basically make that boat run well in any different condition. A few different options here, 5 different profiles basically, meaning pay attention to how much weight's in your boat, how many people are in your boat, and the higher the profile, the higher that your boat's going to end up trimming and running. Basically, it's something that will make you focus on driving a boat instead of trimming. You know, if you're not trimmed all the way down and you got to get a hole shot and you forgot to do it, it automatically trims that engine all the way down, tucks it under so you can get a good hole shot. It's retrofittable with almost any outboard there is that Mercury makes, and you can go all the way up to that new 400 Verado too, where Active Trim will work. So whether you're an experienced boater or someone that's really just getting started and trying to figure out how to trim your motor, it'll make your whole experience a lot easier.